In this tutorial, we will learn to design a poster. I want to make an A4 size poster for print. So click on the preset dropdown and select international paper, then A4. Cause I'm printing this, so I need CMYK color mode and 300 resolution. I want to make a poster regarding my course, so I have decided a concept to make stairs with a golden touch that will represent a golden opportunity for those seeking to learn graphic design. At first, I choose the rectangular tool to make the stairs. I will use a dark gradient for the stairs, not completely black but dark. I have to add a lighter shade to make the gradient. I want the lighter shade to be on top. This is the stage or the final step of the stairs, so it will be much bigger than them. Now I'll copy the layers continuously and I'll drag the lower layers up. I'm using the upper arrow key on my keyboard to move it, cause I cannot select it through the move tool until it comes out. Looks like I have to adjust the gradient a bit. I need a little more contrast. Just copy the layer style and paste it over on the previous layer. Make the lower layers smaller for perspective. The more it is lower, the more it will be smaller. This is the last step, so it will be bigger. Polishing a little bit. Now it's time to make the tiny golden line on the carpet. I like the color golden a lot, so it's my favorite part. I need to scale these shapes perfectly, so I'll press alt+shift when I scale them down. I like clean, sharp and minimalist designs, and this is obviously the trend too. People like it a lot. Even Steve Jobs said, less text makes your advertisement beautiful. Okay, time to call Mr. Guideline. Hello Mr. Guideline, cyan really suits you. I need to scale the text too, so I will adjust the font size for now, and sometimes I use the transform tool, sometimes I use character spacing option, sometimes I use bold and regular options for the font to make the different words look different, so that every words should stand out. Okay, adjust the line height a little bit. We're missing something. What are we missing? Mm, yeah, I need a tiny rectangle here. Okay, I want to include my logo. I have my logo in EPS format. So I will drag and drop the logo here. I'll colorize the logo with the current color theme. Press Ctrl plus semicolon key to say goodbye to Mr. Guideline. I would like to make the text dark as the stairs, a little more dark to make it more readable. Always make groups with similar layers for avoiding difficulties to find a layer. Okay, I think I need to add some footsteps on the stairs so people will easily understand it. Let's go to Custom Smart Objects and find the footstep shape. Make the footsteps a bit tilt and copy the layer and flip it horizontally and make them smaller as you go deeper. I'll make the footstep group opacity to 27%. Let me adjust all the things perfectly placed. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to get a merged layer and make some final color and lightness adjustment.